We're a group of international educators aware of the increasing gap between socioeconomic groups in diverse cultures around the world. We want to bridge that gap through digital storytelling designed to promote empathy. We want to go beyond a school context to help learners develop skills that will increase emotional intelligence, help them make better decisions, and problem solve as global citizens. We want to make those authentic emotional connections with interactive digital stories that focus on identifying emotions in the self to therefore be able to identify them in others, and doing this in a choose-your-own-path style. Empathy can be a natural process or a reaction to view things from others' perspectives. And we'd like to do this in 3 levels, enhanced with increasingly advanced types of technology. We will start with something like the ePATH app, which shows a range of emotions that are relatable with emojis and emoticons. These could also relate to the avatar that they use to play in the app. And that will take them to the interactive decision-making stories where it's a choose-your-own-adventure style. Each decision leads them on a certain path, and the facial recognition software runs in the background. Not only does this create a responsibility for choices made, but it enhances awareness and creates opportunities for self-reflection. So now imagine this story actually told from a viewpoint of a real person, giving relatable information and actually experiencing her story from her viewpoint using a background setting through Google Expeditions or VR sites. Eris is another free open source technology that uses augmented reality.
So as they've got this Quest screen open, they can switch to the GPS screen by flipping that little button at the bottom. And now we show them where the editor is at in relationship to them. And we can see that it's nearby, so we start walking over there. So when we get to this other place on the library mall, the editor appears, and Eris vibrates the device and plays a little tone, and now we have a virtual character that's standing in front of us.
Within the stories, there's a problem-solving component, and in the ePATH app, there could be the next steps for what can be done to actually solve these real-world problems. We've based these on the worldwide or global goals, which could essentially be game points players or learners accumulate, like reward points that they can spend with partnering organizations to donate actual goods or services to those in need, or even to acquire technology for their own site. Users can create their own login with profile information that connects to an avatar related to the emojis represented in the Affectiva or similar facial recognition applications built in. In the ePATH app, players can choose to play by game zones or explore the globe and focus on a location. With enhanced virtual reality technology, we can take these stories to the next level of actually feeling like you are experiencing the story from the character's perspective, really being in their shoes.
If you look into the eyes of a stranger at home or on the other side of the world, it's really hard not to see yourself.
These are examples of stories done with the Within app by Chris Milk.
You who gave us life took it away.
Education of the future could look something like this EduCycle project, where learners are interacting with the environment and observing the potential impact of their actions. This could be used in the ePATH project to do the same thing, but learners see the impact of their actions and decisions on an actual environment, actual people, in a real context. The potential growth and impact for the ePATH project are limitless. We have flexibility in regards to which technology to use for the project, but the essential components of developing empathy through decision making are there and supported by research. We hope you choose to help our project. Thank you very much.